Well, hello. Look at I have a microphone. Maybe I'll do a test on show you how this thing works. It's my new microphone. But that's not what the video is about. It's about printers. Pretty exciting. I purchased two printers, and one is an inkjet printer, one is a LaserJet printer, and I'm going to tell you why I picked one over the other. It's right over there in the corner. So first of all, let's do a quick rundown what an ink printer is, an inkjet printer is, and a LaserJet printer. An inkjet printer shoots out ink from either a cartridge or like this one. I just went over to Best Buy and did a quick shot of this. This is a ink tank printer, so you can buy a whole load of ink, and it shoots through these tanks and then goes through the hoses there, and then onto, one big printing head, and then throws that onto the paper. So even more ink going out the window. Or this one, the LaserJet printer. A LaserJet printer works by magic, and I think there's rainbows involved, and a laser beam, and toner. All right. Let's bring in the whiteboard. Okay, so we got the LaserJet and the inkjet. Okay. The LaserJet, we paid $185 for the LaserJet. The inkjet, we paid $85. Okay. The toners for the laser are 48. And this gets you 1,000 prints. Okay. And then the ink, you got to buy two different cartridges. One's the black and white, one is the color. And those were $25 a pop. So 25 and 25. And those, I got the XLs. So that's the, there's more ink in those, and you get, these numbers aren't exact, so don't quote me. I'm sure I'll get a lot of comments on my math here. I think you get like 250 per cartridge. But see, with the color in the black and white, you're replacing the black and white one a lot more often. So this is all black and white, by the way. So I've got to do this 4 times to get 1,000 prints. So I've got to spend, I got to get $75 more, right? So 75. And this one you hardly replace. How often are you doing color? Let's talk about that for a second. Are you making a greeting card for grandma? Or, what are you doing? If you're going to do something that's spectacular, I would send it over to Kinko's, or is there still a Kinko's? Or FedEx or Walgreens does nice printing too. I would just do that. So most of the stuff I do, I'm printing off like a drawing or an email or some brief rundown for a customer or something like that, and I put it into their file. So I'm doing a lot of black and white printing. So that's, my scenario. So if you're doing a lot of artsy craftsy stuff at home, yeah, you're going to go through that color cartridge quickly. But right now I go through the black and white stuff like it's milk out of the fridge. It's just crazy how much I go through that stuff. So let's do this scenario, this math scenario. So 85 plus 25 plus 25 plus 75 is, that's 125. Hold on, 85, 25, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11. 210. Okay, over here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that right? 33. Is that right? Yeah, look. See? 233, $210. 1,000 prints. So from now on, I have to, can you tell which one I'm leaning towards? This one. So we're going to test them out. We're going to set them side by side, and we're going to get a stopwatch, and we're going to see how they work, how quick they print, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. So the first printer we're going to test out is the Inkjet HP 2755E. So you open the door here, and then out slides the cartridges. This is the tricolor one. The other one's black and white. It's got the head built right into it. And this is full of ink. You snap that back in there, and then shut the lid, and then that one's ready to go. And this is the HP LaserJet MFP M140WE. So here's the toner cartridge. That's just one cartridge. Plug it in there, black and white. Clicker down, shut the lid, and this one also has the scanner on the top there. Black and white. They both have scanners. So you haven't fallen asleep yet. That's good. And you're sticking with me. We're going to stick with the test, man. So, okay, I'm going to use the timer on my phone, and we're going to time out how fast these things print. We're going to go from when I hit print on the computer to see how long it actually prints the piece of paper. And we'll start with the inkjet printer. Okay, so I'm going to go to File, Print, and I'll tell you when I click it, black and white from page 1 to 1, starting now. Oh boy. Okay. .17 seconds. All right, and now the LaserJet test. So we're going to go to File, Print. This is always in black and white. Oh, I get stuck on the old one. We'll go to the LaserJet there. Okay, ready to start the clock. Here we go now. Stop. What? Hold on a second. It did print. All right. So, inkjet, 20 seconds. LaserJet, 12 seconds. Which one do you think I picked? We're going with the LaserJet. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me, and we'll see you in the next video.